Good evening, everyone. Let's see the topic. So that is probability topic. So next we will discuss dice concept. What do you mean by a dice? So let's see basic introduction of dice. When one die is rolled, when one dice is rolled, 6 power 1 equal to 6. So these are 1, 2. I think dice concept is clear. So I explained already. So let's see the questions. When unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is 5? When one die is rolled, what are the possibilities we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So output is 5. So output is 5 is nothing but only one case. So out of 6, only one case. So the answer will be equal to 1 by 6. So probability of output is 5 will be equal to only one case. So that is 1 by 6. Next. Next. When an unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is odd number? Again, only one die is rolled. So odd number is nothing but odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. How many odd numbers we are having? Only 3 odd numbers out of 6. So that is 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Next. When two dice are rolled, what is the probability of the sum is output is 6? When two dice are rolled. So when two dice are rolled, what are the possible cases we are having in the sense? Sum equal to 2, sum equal to 12. Sum equal to 2, only one possible case, 1 comma 1. Sum equal to 12, only one possible case, that will be equal to 6 comma 6. So only one possible case. Sum equal to 3 will be equal to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Two possible cases. What about 11? So sum equal to 11 is also 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 5. Only two possible cases. So when two dice are rolled, so sum equal to 2 will be equal to one possible case. Sum equal to 3 equal to two possible cases. What about 4, 5, 6, 7? So 2 equal to 1, 3 equal to 2, 4 equal to 3, 5 equal to 4, 5 equal to 6. Sorry, 5 equal to 4, 6 equal to 5, 7 equal to 6. So here also 10, 9, 8, 7. Sum of output is 8. Sum equal to output is 8 is nothing but. So how many possible cases we are having? 8 will be equal to 5. So that is 5 out of 36. So if you remember 2 to 1, so 2 will be equal to 1, 3 will be equal to 2. So how to find out sum equal to 8? Just look at here. Sum will be equal to total, minimum and maximum sum equal to 14. We need to find out sum equal to 8. 14 minus 8 will be equal to 6. Then we need to subtract 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 will be equal to 5 by 6. 6 minus 1 equal to 5 by 6. Next. Sum of output is 9. What is the sum of output is 9? Again, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 equal to 5. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So that will be 4 out of 36. Just look at here. 9 equal to 4. So that is 4 out of 36. 4 out of 36 is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 will be our answer. Next. When two dice are thrown simultaneously, what is the probability of getting two numbers whose product is odd? So two dice are thrown. So what are the possible cases we are having in the sense? Odd into odd will be equal to odd. Odd into even will be equal to even. Even into odd will be equal to even. Even into even will be equal to even. So we need to find out whose product is odd. So only one possible cases that will be equal to total. When two dice are rolled, 6 square equal to 36. So total we are having 4 parts. 4 parts equal to 36. We need to find out only odd. Odd will be equal to only one part. One part equal to 9. So 9 out of 36. 9 out of 36 equal to 1 by 4. If we want to find out product is even in the sense remaining. So that will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. Product is even equal to 3 by 4. Product is odd will be equal to 1 by 4. One second. two dice are tossed, the probability that the total score is a prime number. What are the prime numbers we are having? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2 will be equal to 1, 3 will be equal to 2, and 5 will be equal to 4, 7 will be equal to 6, and 11 will be equal to 14 minus 11 equal to 3, where 3 will be 2. So we need to add all the values. 10, 14, 1. 15 out of 36. 15 out of 36 is nothing but 5 out of 12. Answer is 5 out of 12. Next will be when 3 dice are rolled. So we discuss only when 2 dice are rolled. So now we need to discuss. So when 3 dice are rolled, what are the possible cases we are having? Let's see. So 3 dice minimum will be equal to minimum, maximum. Minimum will be equal to 3, maximum equal to 18. Minimum 3 and 3 dice are rolled. Minimum equal to 3, maximum equal to 18. Maximum will be equal to 18 is nothing but O. So sum equal to 4 and sum equal to 17, sum equal to 5 and sum equal to 16, sum equal to 6, sum equal to 15, next sum equal to 7, sum equal to 14, next will be equal to sum equal to 8 and sum equal to 13, sum equal to 9, sum equal to 12, sum equal to 10 and sum equal to 11. So what are the possible cases? So here 2 in the sense we need to add 2. So 1 next number is 2. So that will be equal to possible cases will be equal to 3. Next 3 next number will 2 next number will be equal to 3. So that will be equal to 6. Next number of 1 next number is 2. 2 next number is 3. 3 next number will be equal to 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. And 4 next number will be equal to 5. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. And next will be equal to 5 next number is 6. So 15 plus 6 equal to 21. Next will be equal to 25 and 27. So minimum will be equal to 3, maximum equal to 18. So minimum possibility equal to 1. So we are taking 1 by equal to 2. So sum, when 3 dice are rolled, sum equal to 4. How many possible cases in the sense 3? So sum equal to 17 also 3 possible cases. So one next number is 2, 3 next number. So after sum equal to 5 in the sense, we are taking, let's look at it. I will write once again. Minimum is 1, 1 next number is 2. That is 3 possible cases. 2 next number is 3. So that will be equal to 6. 3 next number is 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 next number is 5. So this will be equal to 15. 15 next number is 6. So it will be equal to 21. So remaining balance will be equal to 25 and 27. We need to remember like this. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. When 3 dice are rolled, what is the probability of sum equal to 11? So sum equal to 11 will be equal to what are the possible cases? 27 out of 216. 27 out of 216. Next, when 3 dice are rolled together, what is the probability of sum is equal to output is 10 or 15. Input is 10 or 15 is nothing but. So what is the sum equal to 10? We are having sum equal to 10 equal to 27. Sum equal to 15 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be equal to 10. So 27 plus 10 equal to 37. 37 out of 216. 37 out of 216. Next, when dice are rolled together, what is the probability of is output is greater than or equal to greater than 15, greater than 15, but 16, 17, 18, where 18 will be equal to 1. So I will write 15, 17, 18. This will be equal to 3, equal to 73, 8 will be equal to some of the values will be equal to 10, 108, 5 by 108. Next, a coin and dice is rolled. What is the probability that the coin show as output as head and a dice shown output as 3? So when one coin is tossed, so coin is tossed. When one coin is tossed, what are the possible cases H comma T? When one dice is rolled, possible cases are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally we need to find out shows head. Head will be equal to only 1, 1 out of 2. As well as dice will be equal to 3. So 3 will be equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 12. Answer is 1 by 12. Next, we are having cards concept. Total number of cards. How many total number of cards is nothing but total number of cards are 52. So what about now? Still audio is not clear. Please respond. Mamta garu. So still audio is not clear. Anyone? Audio and screen sharing. Still breaking your voice. So let me connect once again. Just hold on. Hello everyone. Hello. So what about now? Audio is clear. Clear. So what about screen sharing? Everything is okay? Done? Yes. Thank you. Cards. So total number of cards we are having 52 cards. Total cards are 52. Out of 52, we are having black cards and red cards. Black and red. So black will be 26 and red will be 26. We are having two types. So spade, club, and red will be heart, diamond. So total number of cards are 52. We are having black cards as well as red cards. So total number of sets will be equal to 4 sets. Each set will be equal to 13 cards. Each set will be equal to 13. Black cards are spade and club. Red cards are heart and diamond. So each set will be equal to 13. What are the different types of cards we are having in the sense? A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K. So what are the face cards? So face cards is nothing but we are having J, Q, K. And we are having honor card. What do you mean by honor card is nothing but? So face card is nothing but J, Q, K. Honor card is nothing but with inclusion of A. So A, J, Q, K. Next. You can write anything. So what is the probability of prime number? What is the probability of prime number? So what are the prime numbers we are having? 2, 3, 5, 7. How many prime numbers we are having? 4 each set. So total sets are 4. Each set will be equal to 13. Out of 13 we are having prime numbers are 4 prime numbers. So each set is containing 4 prime numbers. Number of sets are 4. 4 into 4 by 52. Next, probability of even number. What is the probability of even number? What are the even numbers we are having? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So even numbers will be equal to 5. Number of sets will be equal to 4. 5 into 4 by 52. And the next will be equal to probability of face cards. How many face cards we are having? J, Q, K. Each set we are having 3 cards. So that will be equal to 4 sets. So total are 4 sets. Each set will be equal to 3. 3 into 4 by 52. 3 into 4 by 52. We can write anything. So prime numbers and even numbers, odd numbers. So more than 10, less than 10. So we don't have more than 10. Okay. What is the probability of ace cards? Ace card is nothing but A only. J is nothing but jack. Q is nothing but queen. And K is nothing but king. So what is the probability of king cards? What is the probability of queen cards? What is the probability of jack cards with replacement, without replacement? We'll discuss. Okay. Next question. Okay. 352. What is a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting black cards? So what are the black cards? We are having black cards. Just now we discussed black cards. So total cards are 52. Out of 52, black cards are off and red cards are off. Black cards will be equal to 26 out of 52. 26 out of 52 will be equal to 1 by 2. Next. Probability of spade card. Spade card is nothing but total set. Each set containing 13 cards. Only one card is drawn. It's nothing but 13 C1 by 52 C1. 13 C1 is nothing but 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. Next. So just now we discussed probability of face card. What do you mean by face? What are the face cards we are having? J, Q, K. So total 3 cards. Each set contains 3 cards. Total cards are 4. 4 sets divided by 52. 3 into 4 by 52. Where 4 ones are 413 is cancelled. So the answer will be equal to 3 out of 13. 3 out of 13. Next. So a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting jack cards? How many jack cards each set we are having? Each set will be equal to only one. So total we are having 52 cards. Each set jack is containing only one. So total 4 sets will be equal to 4 divided by 52. 4 divided by 52 equal to 1 by 13. 4 divided by 52 equal to 1 by 13. Next. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting Queen of Club or King of Heart? So, club is nothing but one card, one set, and heart is nothing but another set. So, out of club, how many Queen cards we are having? Only one. Out of heart, how many King cards we are having? Again, only one. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. 2 out of 52. 2 out of 52 equal to 1 by 26. So total answer will be equal to 1 by 26. Next. two cards are drawn at random, what is the probability of getting both of them are ace cards? So how many ace cards we are having? Two ace cards. Two ace cards. So sorry, only one ace card. So total sets are four. So we need to select two. So that is 4C2 divided by 52C2. So in the denominator C2 is cancelled. So we can write directly 4 into 3 by 52 into 51. 4 ones are 413, 3 ones are 317. So in the denominator, numerator is 1. So only one we are our option. So that is 1 by 221. So if you look at 7 into 3 equal to 1. So that is 1 by 221. 1 by 221. Next. Next will be equal to two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting no face card? So face cards we are done. Okay. So what is the probability of getting no face cards? Face cards will be equal to 3. Face cards is equal to 3. No face cards will be equal to 10. So that will be equal to 2 cards. Is nothing but 40. 10 into 4 will be equal to 40 C2 divided by 52 C2. 40 C2 divided by 52 C2. No face cards. So 40 into 39 divided by 52 into 51. So 13 threes are 13 fours are 3 ones are 317, 4 ones are 410. So that will be equal to 10 out of 17. 10 out of 17. Next. So either both of them are red or both of them are king. So how many red cards? So either both of them are red cards is nothing but total red cards are 26. Out of 26, we need to select two cards and both of them are king. King is nothing but four king cards. We need to select two. Minus. Why we are taking minus in the sense? So out of red cards, so that will be equal to, in red cards we are having, sorry, king cards is also we are having two cards. So total will be equal to 4. So out of 4, we are selecting two red cards. 1 second. Two cards are drawn, either both of them are red. So red cards will be equal to 26. 26 out of 2. So both of them are king. So in red cards, we are having king cards. So we need to subtract, that is 2C2. So total will be equal to 52C2. 26 C2 is nothing but 26 into 25 divided by 2 minus 4 C2 is nothing but 12. 12 minus 12 by 2 equal to 6 minus 1. So this is 6 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 52 into 51 by 2. So 2 ones are 226. 2 ones are 213. 13 into 25, 325 plus 5 equal to 330. 330 divided by 26 into 51. 26 into 51 will be cancelled by, so 3 table 110 and 17. It is cancelled by 2 table 55 and 13. 55 by 221. So answer will be equal to 55 by 221. Next question. A card is drawn at random, pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting honor card? Honor card is nothing but 4 cards. So each set is containing 4 cards. Total how many sets? 4 sets. Honor card will be equal to A, J, Q, K. 4 cards in each and every set. 4 into 4 by 52. 4 ones are 413. So the answer will be equal to 4 out of 13. Next. ticket number 1 to 20 mixed up, what is the probability of getting drawn card is multiple of 3 or 5. So totally how many tickets in the sense 20 tickets out of 20, 3 multiple or 5 multiple. How many 3 multiples we are having? 20 by 3 equal to 6. Next 20 by 5 is equal to 4 multiple. So total will be equal to 6 plus 4. But we are having the combination of 3 and 5 multiple. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s is also 15. So we need to eliminate this one. So that will be equal to 6 plus 4 minus 1 divided by total number of cards are 20. Excuse me. 6 plus 4, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 out of 20. Answer is 9 out of 20. Next question. So what is the answer? A number is selected from 200. So what is the answer? 200 by 6. 200 by 6 equal to total numbers are 33. 200 by 9 equal to total numbers are 20. So we are having combination of 6 and 9. So that is LCM of 6 and 9 equal to 18. So we need to divide 200 by 18. Will be equal to how many numbers we are having? 11. All are multiples of 11. 11 threes are 11 twos are 11 ones are. We need to subtract this one. 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 200. It's 11 by 50. Next. So balls concept. So a bag contains six black and eight white balls. So one ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that ball drawn is white? What is the probability drawn ball is white ball? Anyone, can you please tell me the answer? So we need to select white ball. How many white balls we are having? 8. 8C1 divided by total how many balls we are having? 14. 8C1 by 14C1. So that is 8 by 14. So 8 by 14 is nothing but 2 fours are 2 sevens are. So the answer is 4 by 7. Next. A bag contains black and 6 white and 4 black balls. Two balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that they have same color? 6 white and 4 black. Same color is nothing but 4C2 plus 6C2 divided by 10C2. 4C2 will equal to 6. 6 is nothing but 30 by 2 equal to divided by 10 series but into 9 divided by 2 finds the 45. So the answer will be equal to 2145 is equivalent to 7 out of 51. So answer is 7 out of 15. Next. A basket contains 4 red, 5 blue, 3 green. If two marbles are drawn at random, what is the probability that both of them are red cards? How many red cards we are having? 4. 4C2 divided 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. 12C2. 4C2 is nothing but 6. 12C2 is nothing but 12 into 11 by 2. 2 ones are 2 six are. So that will be equal to 6 6 is cancelled 1 by 11. Answer is 1 by 11. Next question. Next. Next. A bag contains 4 blue, 5 black. Another bag contains 2 green, 3 black, 5 white. If a ball is drawn from each bag, then what is the probability of both balls being different color? So what are the possible cases we are having? So first bag contains 4 blue. So that will be equal to blue, and the second one will be equal to green. BG RLs blue and black. Next will be equal to blue and white. RLs next will be equal to 5 black balls, green plus. So we can't take black and black. So black and black is eliminated. Next will be equal to 5 black. So that is black and white. So in all the cases, blue is common here. How many blue balls we are having? 4 out of 9. 4 out of 9 into green balls. How many green balls? 2 out of 10. Next will be equal to 3 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Plus, again here also black will be common. Black will be 5 out of 9 into 2 green balls out of 10 plus black balls is eliminated. Remaining will be equal to 5 out of 10. So here 2, the sum of 2, 3, 5, sum equal to 10. 10 by 10 equal to 1. So this will be equal to 4 by 9 plus 5 by 9 into 7 by 10. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So LCM equal to 18. Here 18 in the sense here also we need to write 18, or else you can write 8 by 18 plus 7 by 18 will be equal to 15 by 18. 15 by 18 can be written as 5 by 6. So the answer will be equal to 5 by 6. Next. There are 9 blue X yellow balls, 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability both of them are blue? How many blue balls we are having? Blue balls are 9. So that will be equal to 9C2 divided by 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus X. 13 plus X C2 is equal to 4 out of 19. 4 out of 19. So what is the x value in the sense? So we need to take the x value, denominator should be 19 multiple to get 19 multiple. Why? Because here already 19 multiple we are having. If I substitute x will be equal to 4. 13 plus 4, I am getting 17 only. Don't get 19. So 4 is eliminated. 5 is also eliminated. Why? Because 13 plus 5 equal to 18. It is also eliminated. If I take 6, so 13 plus 6 will be equal to 19. So 9C2, 9C2 will be equal to 9 into 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So that will be equal to 9 into 4 divided by 13 plus 6 will be equal to 19. 19 into 18 by 2 is equal to 4 out of 19. 2 ones are 2 nines are, where 9 is cancelled, and left side we are having 4 out of 19, and right side is also we are having 4 out of 19. So x equal to 6. So that will be the x value is 6. Next, what is the answer for this one? The an contains 4 red, 5 green, 6 blue, and some yellow balls. If 2 balls are drawn, what is the probability of getting at least one yellow? What do you mean by at least one yellow? One or more. One or more. One or more. How many yellow balls we are having? XC1. If I take one yellow ball, remaining balls will be some any other ball. So that will be equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So that is 15C1 plus. So this will be one condition, and other one will be equal to both of them are yellow balls. At least yellow. We need to take 2 balls. So one ball is yellow, remaining out of remaining will So both of them are yellow. So you take X value will be equal to 4. 4 into 15 will be equal to 60, and XC2 will be equal to 4C2 will be equal to 6. 60 plus 6 we are getting 66. But on right side we are having 17. On right side having 17. But X equal it's not possible. What is the other value in the sense we are having 5. So that will be equal to 5 into 15. 5 into 15 equal to 75, and 5C2 will be equal to 10. 5C2 will be equal to 10. 75 equal to 85. 85 divided by, so where X equal to 5. 15 plus 5 equal to 20. 20 C2 is nothing but 20 into 19 divided by 2. Can be written as in the numerator we need to write. So the answer will be equal to X equal to 5. So that is number of yellow balls will be equal to 5. Next. So what is the answer for this one? A bag contains X plus 3 pink and 4 blue, 6 white color balls. If two balls are taken randomly and the probability of getting both balls of being blue, so that is 2 out of 51, find the total number of balls in the bag. So that will be equal to X plus 3 pink and 4 plus 6. So total will be equal to in the denominator. So total 2 balls are drawn, both being blue. So that will be equal to 4C2 divided by. So in the denominator we are having 51. 51 is nothing but, so answer should be, value will be equal to, it can't be 15. I think it is, if I take 4, 15 plus 3 equal to 18. Somewhere question is wrong. So we don't need to find out X value, right? I will check once. Next. concept of replacement and without replacement. A basket contains 7 white and 8 black balls. If we draw 2 balls are drawn random, what is the probability that both balls being black? So we need to draw 2 black balls. That should be black ball only. So that will be equal to how many black balls we are having? 8. Out of 8 we are selecting 1. So total balls will be equal to 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 8 by 15 into out of 8, 1 ball is already selected. In the sense remaining equal to 7 without replacing. He is saying that without replacing 8 by 15 into 7 by 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the answer equal to 4 by 15. Answer is 4 by 15. With replacing in the sense we can repeat that ball. So that will be equal to 8 by 15 into, we can repeat that ball in the sense again we are having 8 balls. So 8 by 15 into 8 by 15. So the answer equal to 64 by 225. So the answer is 64 by 225. From numbers 1 to 15, two numbers are selected. What is the probability? But probability that both the selected numbers are even numbers. How many even numbers in the sense? Total 1 to 15 even numbers are 7. Out of 7, we need to select 2. So that is 7C2 by 15C2. 7C2 is nothing but 7 into 6 divided by 15 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 fives are. That will be equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.20. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.20. And we discuss next topic, that is data interpretation. Next topic is data interpretation. To find out data interpretation, we need to know that some of the topics, and the topics are percentage, ratio proportion, and average. Ratio is nothing but he will ask some ratio questions. What is the ratio of 25 to 45? We can find out 5 fives are 5 nines are. And the next will be equal to average. Find the average of some given numbers. Average will be equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. And the remaining will be equal to percentage topic. So already we discussed percentage topic, percentage to fraction, that is 20 percentage equal to 1 by 5, 25 percentage equal to 1 by 4, and also next one will be equal to fractions to percentage. So it will be equal to 83.33. These are the fraction values already we discussed. Okay, let's see the questions. Read the following graph and answer the questions below. The diagram below shows the enrollment of students in a school in different years from 2014 to 2017. So number of students enrolled in 2014. Number of students enrolled in 2014 will be equal to 200. 2015 will be equal to 400. 2016 equal to 250 and 2017 equal to 450. So finally, what is asking question is the total number of students enrolled 14, 16, 17. 14 equal to 200, 16 equal to 250 and 450. 250, 450 equal to 700, 700 plus 200 equal to 900. So the answer will be equal to 900 students are enrolled. And the next question. Just look at the question. The percentage increase in the enrollment of students in the year 2017 over 2016. So 2016 will be equal to 250, 2017 will be equal to 450. Where percentage increase, we know the formula, so that will be equal to difference minus initial by percentage increase is nothing but difference, that is final and initial. So that is 450 minus 250 will be equal to 200 over 16. 16 value will be equal to 250. 250 into 100. So do the cancellation. 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 540. So the answer equal to 40 into 2 equal to 80%. By looking the value also we can tell the answer 250 to 450. So if I write instead of 450, if I write 500, it will be 100 percentage. 250 to 450, 200 value. In the sense in 25 table 200 8 times. So the answer will be equal to 80 percentage. Answer equal to 80 percentage. The ratio of enrollment of students 2015, 2015, 14, 15 will be equal to 400 to the year 14 and 16. 14 will be equal to 200, 16 equal to 250. So that will be equal to 450. 400 by 450 equal to 8 is to 9. 400 by 450 equal to 8 is to 9. The percentage of increase in the enrollment of students during the given period. So initial number of students is 200, final number of students is 450, where difference is 250 divided by 200 into 100. So 0 is cancelled. Here also 0 is cancelled. 2 ones are 12.5. So it will be equal to 125. So percentage increase equal to 125 percentage. 125 percentage. Next. So can you please tell me the answer for last question? Find the average of number of students admitted during the given period. Anyone? So what is the answer? The average number of students, 200, 400 is 600, 250 and 450, 600, 700 will be equal to 1300 divided by 4. 1300 divided by 4 will be equal to, obviously 4 threes are 12. So more than 300, it is not possible. It is also not possible. Answer is 325. Answer is more than 300. So the answer equal to 325. The following table shows the production of cars in a company from 89 to 94. Study the table, answer the question. So can you please tell me what is the answer for first one? So question is, in which year the total production of cars of P and Q together was equal? Is equal to the total production of cars R and S are equal. P and Q is equal to R and S. So which year? P and Q. So P and Q 8 plus 16 equal to 24, 21 plus 4 equal to 25. So this is not equal. 30 and 23, it is also not equal. Next will be equal to 91. 30 and 26, it is also not equal. So 29 and 31, it is also not equal. So 21, 12, 33, 13 plus 20, it is also 33. So the answer will be equal to 1993. So 21 plus 10, 21 plus 12 is equal to 13 plus 20. Next question. Can you please tell me what is the answer for next one? Anyone? Can you please tell me next one answer? In which year the production of all types of cars taken together, all types of cars taken together was approximately is equal to the annual average of the total production during the period 89 to 94. This is 89 to 94 total production of cars. What is the total number of cars? 476. 476 is approximately equal to the annual average. What is the annual average? So total number of cars will be equal to how many years we are having? 89 to 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be equal to, instead of 476, I will take 480. 480 divided by 6 will be equal to 80. So in which year I'm getting 80, in the sense 1993, I'm getting the average will be equal to 80. So the answer will be equal to 1993. Next. Next questions. Can you please find out what is the answer for first one? Some data is given. Schools A, B, C, D, E, male and female students. Find the average number of female participated from school A, B, D. Females from A, B, D. So that will be equal to 450, 420, D 450. 450, 450 is 900. 900 plus 420 equal to 1320. 1320 divided by 3 is equal to 440. So the answer will be equal to 440. And the next one is total male participated from school B and D. Male students from B and D. Male students from B and D. BD. So it will be equal to 1100. So B and D together are how much more or less than the total female participated from A and C. A and C equal to 950. So he's asking only number of participants, not the percentage. So difference of these two equal to 150. So number of students will be equal to 150. Next. What is the next question is total male participated from B and C. Males from B and C. So how many males from B and C? B will be equal to 540. C will be equal to 720. Males from B and C are together are what percentage more than the female from A and D? Female from A and D. Female from AD. So that will be equal to 900. Female from A and D equal to 900. Total male participated from B and C equal to 540 plus 720 equal to 1260. Or what percentage more or less than the total female participated from A and D equal to 900. Is the difference 360. 360 divided by 900. So what is the percentage in the sense 0000 is cancelled, 9 ones are 940. So the percentage will be equal to 40 percentage. So here we are having 1260, here we are having 900. Difference is 360 divided by 900. 9 fours are 36. So the answer will be equal to 40 percentage. Total male participated from Total males participated from school F are 40 percentage more than that of school A. So number of males from school A will be equal to 650. Number of males from school A. Total male participated from school F is 40 percentage more than the school A. School A will be equal to 650. 40 percentage more is nothing but 140 percentage. So that will be equal to 7 by 5 into 650. 5 ones are 5, 13. 13 into 7 equal to 910. So that will be equal to 130. And total male will be equal to 910. The ratio of female participated from school B to the female from school F, B to F, females from B to F. Female from B to F will be equal to, 1 second. So total males participated from school F. Okay, already we got F equal to 910, right? So total males will be equal to 910. Here he is asking only for females. We don't know number of students, number of female students in F. So we know males will be equal to 910. So the ratio of female participated from school B. What is the female participated from school B? That is 420. So that will be equal to 420 divided by female participated from school if we don't know x equal to 21 out of 32. 21 ones are 21 twos are, that is 20. 20 into 32 equal to 640. So males will be equal to 910, females equal to 640. Then find the total number of students. 910 plus 640 equal to 1550. 910 plus 640 equal to 1550. Number of students. Next question. Find the total number of male students participated from all the 5 schools. So male students from all the 5 schools. So male students from all the 5 schools is nothing but all are zeros. That is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 14 will be equal to 25. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 11 equal to 31. So 3150. Answer is 3150. Next. Next questions. Just read the question properly, you'll get the answers. Total items. So given below, table shows total 3 types of items ABC sold by a store on 5 days of a week. Table also shows total type A items sold by a store and percent of items B and C sold by store. Read the data carefully, find out the answer. Note only 3 types of items sold by the store. Total items, just look at Monday. So number of days Monday to Friday, items A will be equal to value is given, items B equal to percentage is given. So total percentage will be equal to 100% only. So if I add these two, what is the total value? I'm getting 52%. So total percentage is 100, 52% is completed. So remaining percentage equal to 48% equal to 240, where 1% equal to 5. So where 1% equal to 5. Monday will be equal to 1% equal to 5. So once again, total percentage will be equal to 100%. Already B and C will be equal to 52% is completed. Rest of the percentage equal to 48, where 48% equal to 240 and 1% equal to 5. What about Tuesday? Tuesday is 48 plus 12 is 60% is completed. Remaining equal to 40%, where 40% equal to 320 and 1% equal to 8. On Tuesday also we got 1% is 8. Wednesday is 65% is completed, remaining is 35%. Where 35% equal to 420 and 1% equal to 12. So next will be equal to 56 and 20, 76%. And the rest will be equal to 24%. 24% is 360 and 1% equal to 15. And the remaining will be equal to 32%. So 32% is completed, remaining equal to 68%. 68% equal to 340 and where 1% equal to 5. Where 1% equal to 5. We got all the percentage we can find out. Number of items sold by B store on Monday and Friday. Number of items sold by B Monday and Friday. So B 32% is 32 into 5. 32 into 5 equal to 160. And Friday will be equal to where 1% is 5. So 22%. 22 into 5 equal to 110. 160 plus 110 equal to 270. And the next will be equal to, or what percentage of total items sold by C on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday will be equal to, what is the percentage of Wednesday? Wednesday will be equal to, what is the value is given? So Wednesday equal to 420, where 1% is 12. So C is asking 20 into 12 equal to 240. And Thursday will be equal to 20%. So where 1% equal to, where 1% to 24% is 360, where 1% equal to 15. So 20% of 20% will be equal to 1% is 15, 20% equal to 300. So total value will be equal to 540. So year value is 270, year value is 540. So how much percentage change in the sense 270 to 540 will be equal to 50% change. So B items Monday and Friday equal to 270, C items Wednesday and Thursday equal to 540. What is the percentage change in the sense 270, 540 will be equal to 50% change. So that is difference equal to, so 540, 270 difference is 270 divided by 540 into 100. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 50%. Next. Next question. Find the difference between average number of items B sold on Tuesday and Thursday, where Tuesday will be equal to, so this is Monday, Tuesday will be equal to 8. So B on Tuesday will be equal to 48. So 48 into 8, 48 into 8 equal to 8 8 is 64, 8 2, 8 4 is 32 and 384. Average number of items on Thursday and Tuesday. Thursday will be equal to 15. So Thursday will be equal to 15 and 56. 56 into 15. 15 6 are 90, 15 5 are 75 and 840. 840 and 384 will be equal to 4, 12, 1224 divided by 2 equal to 61. So average will be equal to 612 and the next will be equal to average number of items A sold by store Thursday and Friday. So already is given Thursday and Friday will be equal to direct value. Average will be equal to 360 and 340. What is the average of 360 and 340 will be equal to 350. So finally we need to take the difference of these two. 612 and 350. 612 and 350. What is the difference in the sense? 2. And next will be equal to 6. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So the answer will be equal to 262, where difference is 262.